Corvette brake change is no different than almost any other vehicle with disc brakes. Need fresh pads, of course. I have front and rear. Corvette is on jack stands. Wheels off. While they are off, I'll plaster dip them.
Is it the chrome upon my wheels or the basically in my truck?
First of 4 coats. The caliper has two 15mm bolts holding it to the caliper bracket. It will come off after removing these. I did need to use some pliers to hold as a backup. Caliper comes off as predicted. The old pads and hardware also come out, has a little life left in it. To fit the new pads with meat back in, the caliper pistons have to be compressed. I have a tool just for the job, but I've also used a C-clamp in the past. Same exact process for the rear, two 15mm bolts. That definitely needed to be changed. Condition of the old pads. Got new hardware that came with the front. They just snap in. It goes without saying that the steps for reinstallation is just the reversed order. Greasing up the piston boots with the brake lube. The rear didn't come with new hardware for some reason. Four coats on the wheels for a new look. Black on pewter, never been cuter. And then I go and get another set of wheels altogether.